It was a dream for me to join the Frappe. I got rejected for the first time.
Can you share the link, like the PR link?
This is the PR.
Open Frappe forum, it was like when I scroll, Ejaaz gives a
Yeah,
solution and
yeah.
solving issues for the people. Correct,
So you
correct.
have given me a path, and I'm really thankful for you.
Yeah, I'm happy to be part of it.
Yeah,
Yeah, hi. How are you?
I'm good.
Great. So it's just recently you joined like Frappe, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So
So
yesterday was my first day.
oh, yesterday, how was it actually?
Yeah, it was good. Like I met Rushabh sir and all the other developers there. Meet Sidel and others there. And yesterday was like induction there.
Okay, okay. So yeah, this is just like as you already know, like I'm reaching out to Frappe community members and
Yeah,
record their their contributions or their stories into a LinkedIn article. So that's why I invited to this meet and thanks for joining. So
yeah.
yeah,
It's not like that.
yeah, that's fine, that's fine. So just share your experience about this interview and what motivates you to join Frappe actually.
As you already know, like I have joined the Frappe was 2024, like we talked before, and I had a chat with you on Telegram that I want to join Frappe,
Correct,
and
yeah.
and you already know that I applied, but I got rejected for the first time. Then I started contributing to their forums, like answering the questions, and I have also created an overtime PR in Frappe HRMS plus created. I have created near about 10 PRs in Frappe LMS. Nine got merged and one is closed without merging because that was not right. And also I have created two more PRs in HRMS.
Okay,
So
okay.
I started contributing more and more.
Understood.
So yeah, then after talking to you, like as you said, do cold email or reach out to Sidel and others. So I tried that,
Oh,
and
does that
after
work?
that, yeah, it worked,
Okay.
and I got the chance to get interviewed. And my first interview was with Rushabh sir.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, so like I directly contacted to him. So he said, "Yeah, come. We have a role for front end. So will that interest you?" So like for me, I just want to join Frappe, and I am ready to work on whether it is front end or back end. I am flexible about that. So he said me, "Okay, come for interview." So he directly invited me in the Frappe office in Mumbai. So I go, when I get there, my like first interaction was Rushabh sir is very chill guy. Like as far as I have seen, I feel he is a very chill guy and he said, yeah, come sit here, and he was talking there are some issues I want to give you, which we are like the most requested feature of Frappe framework at that time was scrollable child table
Correct.
because
Mm-mm.
currently at that time we don't have scrollable child table in Frappe framework for desktop devices. So he said that will you work on this feature? So I said yeah, why not? So that was my task. And I started working on that. He said if you need any help, then I am there. You can reach out to me. Like I was there for 2 to 3 hours, and I have given a prototype type of solution to them.
Okay.
And Rushabh sir said, okay, yeah, that is good. It is looking good. Go home and raise a PR. Then reach out to me.
Okay.
Then maybe me other developer will contact with you regarding this PR.
Okay.
So yeah, I get back and I have created a PR after 2 to 3 days
Mm-mm.
working on that.
Can you share
Uh,
the link, like the PR link? If
yeah,
it's
wait.
a, yeah.
PR link, um, mm, yeah, this is the PR. Yeah, this was my task to add the scroll
Okay,
in the
okay.
child table. So I have
Mm-hmm.
added this, but there were some issues the which we see link field doesn't work properly, and all the other issues was there. So after creating this PR, I got the chance to talk with Paris.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, Paris talked with me and he said he pointed out some issues the issue with the link field which I said you, and there were some all the other issues also.
Okay.
The developer also shared that issue. So we have a discussion in this, and yeah, when I talked with Paris, yeah, he told me something he shared his point, and I really found that insightful. But my PR wasn't in a situation to get merged in a
Mm-mm.
Frappe framework because it was not working properly.
Okay, okay.
So yeah, I felt my chance to join the Frappe is gone.
Mm-mm.
After one day, I have taken a break for one day.
Okay.
My interview was on Sunday, and I have taken a break whole Sunday. And then after on Monday, after returning back from my previous job, I started working again. Then I
Mm-mm.
found one more solution,
Okay.
and I have pushed that solution and shared this to receptor that hey, I have made some changes. I have changed my approach. Previously there was this issue. Now there are no more issue. So he said, okay, I will check and I will let you know if there is anything. So my third interview was with Suraj.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So I got that.
Frappe
So
Builders product owner, right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay.
So Fidel called me and said, hey, you are applying for a front end role. So I think the front end senior manager is Suraj.
Mm-mm.
So she said that Suraj, you will have an interview with Suraj. So we have got date and time. Then we have got a call, and I have shared my solution. How was my first solution? What was my first solution? Then it was my fifth solution, which I have given to that child table scrollable. So I told him all these stories, and I have shown one of my this application.
Okay,
It is a normal uh, grammar check application,
okay.
which,
Mm-mm.
as you already know, I am not good in English. So
That's fine, that's
yeah,
fine.
they check the grammar mistakes in the sentence and
Mm-mm.
return back the proper sentence.
Okay,
So
okay.
I have shared this, and I said how I improved this. I have added a autofocus, clear, paste, go, and
Correct.
also added the copy button, all the other things. I wanted to show him that I am good in UX because
Okay.
they were hiring for me for the front end role.
Front end
Yeah,
role,
and
okay.
I said that yeah, I know I am not good in the color and the combination thing. So he pointed out some things there should be only one primary button because go button, and if possible you can change clear, paste, and copy button to secondary button like
Correct.
all the other points he said.
Mm-mm.
Then after that I thought there is a chance 60% chance to get hired,
Correct,
and
correct.
I don't know if I am hired or not. Then CTL called me after 2 to 3 hours,
Mm-mm.
and she said, have you talked with Suraj? What he said? I said, yeah, he has shared some points for improvement.
Correct. Mm.
So yeah, I will work on that. So she said, yeah, you are selected.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
So
great. Mm.
yeah, that was the moment. So it still feel real. It still feel like a dream for me.
Dream only.
Yeah.
I think you waked up right now from the
Yeah.
dream now. So you are in
Yeah.
the reality. Fine.
Yeah, but yeah, really, it was a dream for me to join the Frappe.
Correct, correct. Actually, I see your contribution in the Frappe forum. When
Yeah,
I opened Frappe forum, it was when I scroll Ejaaz, Ejaaz give the
Yeah.
solution and
Yeah.
solving issues for the people. So that's
Yeah.
really great actually. When you trying for any open source company, it's all about giving them solutions and all, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that made you
Uh,
to this place actually. Yeah,
yeah.
that's great actually. So mostly it was of 2 to 3 rounds, right? Two to
Yeah.
three
3 rounds.
technical rounds. Yeah, three technical rounds, and yeah, one final HR.
Yeah.
So okay.
It wasn't an interview with HR. Like it's just a call that you are selected, and
Correct,
your
correct.
interview schedule on.
Understood.
My HR part is skipped. I think so.
So you are directly hired without any critical HR rounds.
Yeah.
Fine, that's great actually. So currently you are into any product, or what's the plan actually?
Yeah, yesterday, like we have a meeting, and they said like first I have to work on some ERP next task, UI related things because yeah, recently working we were working on the version 16,
Correct.
so there are some issues in version 16 UIs so that for that I am and all the other engineers two to three other engineers are also working on that.
Mm-mm-mm.
So right now I want to work on ERP next and
Okay,
Frappe
okay.
framework front end.
Understood, understood. Okay. Great.
Yeah.
Actually, it's work from office, or you're
Yeah,
going
like
anywhere?
yeah, it is based on choice. But I have decided to go to office for at least first 3 months because
Okay.
like Fidel said, yeah, like you are a new joining,
Mm-mm.
and if you will come to office for first 3 months, then you will get an idea how things work
Correct, correct.
at
Yeah.
Frappe. Yeah. So and the traveling is 1 hour. Like one side traveling is 1 hour,
Okay.
so
So you are
it is not
native
as
also
well.
Mumbai only. Native also
Yeah, I
Mumbai.
live in Mumbai, so
Oh,
that
fine.
traveling is not the issue for me right
Correct,
now.
correct. Mm-mm.
So
So
yeah,
the one question is how you got introduced to Frappe at first.
yeah. In my previous company, they wanted a ERP solution,
Okay.
and all the other ERP solution which is stable are paid.
Mm-mm.
And ERP Next is the only solution which is open source and free.
Correct, correct.
So that's the point. I got started with ERP Next.
Okay, okay. So your background is completely development, right?
Yeah, my background is completely development.
Okay,
I was
okay.
a PHP developer initially, but because of company requirement, they want someone to work on ERP Next and
Mm-mm-mm.
do customization based on organization rules. So I was the senior, not I was not the senior that time, but I was the second developer there.
Okay, okay.
So they said, okay, will you work on this? I said, yeah, why not? I am getting a chance to work on new technology as a developer. It's good.
Understood, understood.
Yeah.
So, any advice for maybe few peoples are also trying to get into Frappe, right? So,
Yeah.
any advice from your side?
Uh, the thing I can say is if you want to get into Frappe, then you should have like a basic knowledge of how Frappe framework works and start contributing to Frappe framework. Even it is a small PR. Like I have created small PRs in Frappe LMS. Like it was 9 to 10 PR, which is a very small features like some search functionality, some UI things. So, to get started, start with small PR and active on the Frappe forum discussion. So, yeah, just start contributing,
So
and you
that's the
will,
base formula you want to take.
yeah, like that's the only thing I know, right?
Yeah, yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Actually, that's the base thing. Actually, it's purely open source, right? So,
Yeah,
start contribution is the base thing.
yeah,
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 that's great actually. So, yeah, I think all the best for your
yeah. Thank
journey,
you.
and expect to become a product engineer of some product
Yeah,
soon with
thank you, and
Frappe.
thanks. The day when I talked with you,
Correct,
you
correct.
suggested me.
Yeah, yeah, actually, I'm grateful.
Yeah,
I think it's 2 months back, right? November
yeah,
around
yeah,
we connected
yeah. It's two
for
months
Frappe.
back.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, from that day I again started applying because I have enough I can't say enough contribution, but I have a contribution which I can say 10 PR in LMS
Correct.
and overtime PR and other PR in SRMS, but I don't know what to do next.
Correct,
So you
correct.
have given me a path, and I'm really thankful for you.
Yeah, I'm happy to be part of it.
Yeah,
So yeah, definitely we'll meet you in person in case
yeah,
maybe
yeah.
I will come
I'm
by
excited.
next Frappeverse or something like that.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I'm really excited.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.